Kyle's hitting the button for me, and we're rolling. Come on, what about that multicolored one with the 117 games? Stop, and stop. Holy shit! We could be in for a lot of money here. Gary's lucky money. Come on. Hit something. Multipliers. Don't touch it. Get on your own game. Now you wrecked it. Jackass. Where's the multipliers? Multipliers. Come on. Really need a multiplier because it's 4 times and the multiplier may get there. Oh, come on. Dogs. Owl. Here. Really need another owl there. We need any multiplier to get 4 times 2 times 5 or whatever. Come on, baby, do something. Come on, dogs. Oh, come on, owls and dogs. Bears, more bears. Not enough bears or deers. More dogs, come on. More dogs. Dogs. Big dogs. Come on, multiplier. No! Hit it, deer. 9. Shit. We need if we could get a 3 and a 5, multiplied by 4, 3 times 5 is 15, that'd be 60 times. We need a 3 and a 5. Come on, any multiplier. Come on! Multipliers. No! Woo! Multiplier. Oh! Or a bunch of those old dudes. Oh, or re-trigger. Come on, owl. Bear. Shit. Multiplier. Come on. Oh, Kings. We missed it 5 times or those. Damn. Multiplier. Old guy, multiplier. Man. Come on. 3 and a 5. Come on, more bears. Shit, or a deer up front would have been good. Oh, what did that hit? Oh, houses. Could have really used another house. More. Come on. I want a 3 and a 5, just once. Good, owl. Shit! Oh, there's the 3 and the 5 and they missed. Hit anything. Owl, hit it. No. Oh, God, screw. Oh no, Kings. Oh, hold it. This could be $1 million. Woo! Holy shit! That's unbelievable. All right. Holy shit, might be a hand pay. Well, Gary's money is clearly lucky. Holy shit. Oh no, stop before 1200. Stop. Stop. Oh yeah. Somebody had to teach 12. Oh no, not again. Oh shit. Hand pay. told you we needed 1, 3, and 1, 5, and out you get now. Holy shit. No. I'm not covering your losses. No, I'm not. No. Oh! Oh, the dog's on fire. Oh, not 1,200. I don't want to lose my money. Shit. We don't want 1,200. Oh no. And this is how you do it. Wow. Tired of carrying father's losses. Oh my God. Look at that.